Check that all components are included. Install the boat antenna. Install the handset antenna. Open the battery compartment and insert the battery. Make sure the T-plug connector is properly connected. Close and lock the battery cover. Same operation on the other side. You can charge either the boat directly or the battery separately. Prepare the corresponding charger. Open the charging port cover. Connect the charging cable to the port. The indicator light shows charging progress. Connect the charging cable to the adapter cable first. Connect the charging cable to the battery port. Make sure the T-plug connector is properly connected. The indicator light shows charging progress. Remove the case to expose the charging port. Use a Type-C cable for charging. The battery icon indicates charging in progress. Long press the handset power button. Short press the boat power button. Handset connects automatically. Short press joystick, then press the enter button. Home point set. Long press joystick to return the home point. Long press enter button to cancel mission. While sailing, you can save the current position as a waypoint. Press the waypoint button to select point name. Then press enter button to set waypoint. Select a waypoint and press the action button. The boat will automatically navigate to the point. Long press the enter button to cancel the current mission. Short press the bait release button to release bait. Double press to release hook. Long press to release bait and hook. Short press the power button to turn lights on. Short press to turn lights off. Double press to enter settings. Functions can be adjusted in this menu. The custom button can be set for your preferred function. Open the menu and find the custom key function. You can set different trigger modes for this button. Push the joystick to the right to enter the detailed setting page. Push the joystick to the right to set the function. Use the custom button to perform your set functions. Search Ripton Boat and find the official app. Download and wait for installation to finish. Open the Ripton Boat app to prepare for connection. Select CatchX Max. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Connect Wi-Fi.
Enter the password.
Connection successful. Enter the page, waiting for connection. Connection successful. Sub-interface. Select a scanning mode to perform a mission. Tap to turn the boat lights on or off. Tap to drop the bait. Tap to reset the hooper. Tap to release the hook. Point mark button. Tap to set point on the map. Tap any waypoint to edit it. You can change the marker icon, edit the label, and upload images as needed. Tap to delete a waypoint. Deviation correction button. Sonar button. The built-in sonar activates automatically when the boat touches water. Zoom in or out the sonar view for more details. Historical waypoints. Return button. Tap to return home point automatically. Electronic anchor button. Tap to activate the anchor and keep the boat steady at the current position. Tap again to cancel the electronic anchor. Home point button. Tap to set the home point as the return position. Tap to confirm. Long press on a map to create a waypoint. Tap Start. You can choose to have the bait boat automatically release bait, release the hook, and return home point after reaching the waypoint. Tap to start the mission. Drag the waypoint to adjust its position. Drag it to the delete icon to remove it. Map button. Here you can view historical underwater maps. Setting button. Tap Setting button. Turn off learner mode. To adjust the sailing range, adjust the maximum sailing range. Set the voltage threshold for auto return.